rooster crowing loud and keen. S is for sheep, fluffy clouds that softly bleat. T is for turkey, waddling with tiny feet. U is for upland goose, honking by the pond so blue. V is for veg or cow, small and sweet as morning dew. W is for water buffalo, splashing in the mud. X is for solo dog, a farm friend calm and snug. Y is for yak, with shaggy coat on mountain ground. Z is for zebu, happy cattle grazing all around.